everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to learn the basic of Google Earth Studio and create an amazing video animation as you already have seen in the intro of this tutorial. We will be learning all the basic strategies required to create such an animation in Google Earth Studio. So without any delay, let's get started to the tutorial. And if you haven't already subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will be notified when you get all the new videos from our channel. Okay, so let's get started. It is pretty simple to get started. Just go to Google and search for google.com and search for Google Earth Studio. And at the beginning of the page, you can see the first website Google Earth Studio, and you can see this is the intro of introduction page of the Google Earth Studio. You can see everything, and if you haven't already started your account, you can go to sign up. And since I have already created my account, it has given me this type of link. So if you haven't created account, it will just show you a new page where you can create your account. So it's pretty simple. You will know you have to just put your name and email address and anything that is required. And after that, after logging in, you can just create a new blank project. Here you can see you can also have a quick start, or you can open if you have already made and go to blank project, and let's get this as video tutorial. And dimension, you can set the dimension, and the world you are creating is of earth, and so I'll create this of earth. And you can set the duration. I'll go with time code, not just frame. I'll go with time code, and I will set this as okay, 15 second. Let me make this as 20 second, 25 second, and it will be time code. And yeah, frame rate also, you can change the frame rate accordingly. 30 is sufficient for me. Okay, then I'll click on start. Okay, when starting, you can see like this, or you might have only seen you can just see one or two. So the first thing you can do is you can see the map view also, and one is globe view. This is the where there is my cursor. This is the map view, and this is the globe view, the real earth view. And when you change the, and this rectangle is the camera frame, and you can see here is the camera. You can see top approach, camera approach, north, south, east, west, and you can change the direction. Let me change the camera. This is the camera view, and let me go to north. You can see north, south, east, and west. Okay, so I'll go with camera, and here I'll change it to top view. Okay, so let's get first started with the top uh, options. You can see file option. You can create a new, open the file, recent file, or save, and then import also. You can also import the KML file or art studio project or anything that is in the. Okay, here is the art studio project overlay, track points, and everything. You can import also. You can export this. You can export your data up to the file format, Earth Studio project 3D tracking data, and you can see the project setting also. You can change the dimension of the animation that you are going to create. You can change the world to earth or moon, anything, dimension, time code, and anything, and everything is there. And edit option, view, multi-view option. You can see view one. When you change to one, you can see one option. When you change it to two, you can see two option. And then you can also create guide and everything. Full screen mode, map style. You can change the map style to clean, exploration, and everything. clean means you don't have any uh, label on the map, and exploration means some label, and everything means everything that you can see in Google Map. And you can import uh, overlays, KML overlays over the map, and animation. You can also set the animation. You can set it as auto is. You will see this in further video. Uh, just don't get worried about that, and you can see the edit option. Okay, after this, sorry for that. After this, you have the source option. Let me go with the source option. Eiffel Tower. What this is what we'll be doing today. You see the Eiffel Tower. Yes, when you can zoom in, zoom out, like scrolling the mouse button, and click on the center mouse the scrolling button, and then you can change the view to 3D. Isn't it amazing? You can see, you can zoom in, zoom out. You can also change the direction. Like also you can change the place where you can focus on this. Let's get the below portion. You can see the camera position here on the map. You can see the camera position. You can zoom out and see camera position. Okay, where is the camera focusing on? It is the latitude and longitude. You can add your manual latitude and longitude as well. Altitude also. You can change the altitude. You can see altitude. Okay, you can change altitude. When you use altitude, you can see there is some change occur, and change latitude and longitude. You can also, there is some, okay, sorry, on the altitude changeable, you have to manually put the latitude and longitude. Okay, and after that, camera rotation. Let me rotate the camera. Camera rotation also change this. You can see this is the keyframe. This is very useful while making the video. The keyframe are used to get the location, altitude, longitude uh, of our video animation at certain time. So when you change the viewing angle or anything, or anything that changes the video, you have to give the keyframe to this. Again, let's see. This is the keyframe. Okay, you have to give the keyframe to this, and you can also delete this keyframe also. Okay, after that, also you can add some attribute. You can set the camera target. Yeah, you can see like this. This will be the cam. This will target the center of the map. Okay. After that, you can also add time of day. When you add time of day, you can see, you can change the time. Just see the time. When I change, it will gradually become day or night. So let me change it to 7. Change to 7, it becomes night. Okay, you can see it becomes night. You can see it now. You must see some sun here. Okay, okay, you can see sun. Okay, in this way, we will be doing some animation. Okay, so when you change the camera angle and tilt, you can see this yellow button in the keyframe, yellow color in the keyframe. This indicates that there has been some change in the same keyframe on pan and tilt. So when I again click this, and after that, there is, and you can see the latitude and longitude also changed, and camera pan and tilt also changed. This is how I am creating this. You can see now. And when you run something like this, let's get started on creating the animation. Okay, you can see the value graph, speed graph, and keyframe editor. So right click on them here, and you have to change to keyframe editor. So when you get clicked on keyframe editor, you can see this. You can change this, and we for basic we just change this to this. We'll see how can we change the keyframe. Let me make this time little bit more. Okay, so it's taking some time to load. I guess this is due to my internet issue. Okay, let's start at zero keyframe. Let's keep some keyframe here. Just click on this, and when we go to 5 second, I just want it to change from this location to like this at this location. It will record every movement that you create here. So again, I will click on keyframe here. Okay, so when I click this play button, it will manually play. Okay, and then after that, again, let me change this to like this, and I will create one again keyframe, and from this I want to change the angle of the camera. Then what I'll do, I'll save there. Say, go to this frame and change the angle to this, and again save the keyframe. Okay, let me play once. Okay, in this way you can create a keyframe. Let me delete all, and now we are at the main part of creating the animation of Eiffel Tower. Uh, let's start for the Eiffel Tower. What is Eiffel Tower? And we'll make some animation of Eiffel Tower. Let me start Eiffel Tower. Okay, then I will go to creative like and one thing is you can create the Eiffel Tower as your main focus. So set the camera target to Eiffel Tower. What it does is it will make our focus, it will focus all camera only on Eiffel Tower. So let's create our animation from this place. Let's first go to back side. Let's go to back, and from here we'll focus on Eiffel Tower. Okay, so this is we create the first frame, and then we'll go to the after 5 seconds we'll go just focus on the center of the circle. This is the center, and gradually zoom. Okay, and just place the next keyframe here. And then what I want is I want to circle. Okay, this is our keyframe here. Set the camera target. Once play. And then I want to create this type of animation. And I want it here. Okay, just I want to show. This is smooth and this is too much fast. So I want to make this a little bit farther. So what I can do is I can click on this and move it here. So also I can make all the animation smooth. So auto ease in. It will make the animation smooth. So let's see. You can see here also the camera movement. And then let me change, let me see what is okay. So it has been moving like this, and I just want to change it to top view and like this, and then set the keyframe tool and move it a little bit backward and just see the movement. Okay, so it has made some mistake here. Why is it mistake here? I don't think. Is there any break? No, there hasn't. Oh, okay. So you can see here it's only up to 9 seconds. So you have to change it here up to 21 second, 20 second. Okay. So once again, I will play this and it should be fine. Okay. Also after this, you can see this animation has been made. Also, you can smooth make this animation smooth from this view. You can see here is the this white means the keyframe. When you click this, this is the keyframe that it selects, and then this, and you can see the keyframe also here also. You can make this smooth from when you click on this. Okay, you can make this smooth. You see, this is this short this line. You can see it creates the smoothness in our video, in our animation. Okay, you can see this is smoothness, and also this is our target. So you can also change this from here also. You can see, and then let me go from the beginning. Now you should see some smoothness. Okay, so here is the smoothness, and after this there is not so much good as expected. It is too slow. Let's make this a little bit fast. Okay, we make this as like this and smooth path. You can click this as smooth path and then make this as like this. So when you make this as circle, this means this is smooth. So let's see again. You see, last is so too much slow. So what we can do is we can relocate this here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is our animation, and also you can see it's map, so you can change it to exploration. In exploration, you can see many things, and also you can change it to everything. When you change it to everything, you can see everything that is in Google Maps shows here. So I just want to make it as clean, so I'll remove everything. And then after this, the time is to uh, limit this to 12 seconds. So here is 20 seconds. So let's make this 12 second and then render it. So render it will, you can see here the rendered animation you can see on Google Earth Studio. Yeah, you can change also the time of the video from here also. This yellow is the time of the video animation. And then you can change it to you must see the image sequence here. You have to change this to video and then you can change this to the frame. This is the same and dimension is also same. And the alignment of the attribution, this is the attribution you can manually change here also, like this also, or you can change it to bottom left, bottom right, and manually like this. And then texture quality is high and coordinate space is global, and then submit. After this, it will be submitted to cloud render. Here is a cloud render. Okay, let me show you it after the time. Okay, it is submitted to cloud render, and then when you click on render, you can see the renders, and here is queued, and it will take some time to render. Okay, when it is render, it will be notified by Gmail also. When you open the Gmail, you also get notified in Gmail also about the render. So since my internet is too much slow, uh, it is taking too much time to load Gmail also. I'll show you after video is rendered. Okay. Okay. Now my video is already rendered. So you can see in Gmail also it gives a mail when it is rendered also. You can see your Gmail there. You must see your mail. And after that, I will click on download. Okay, here is the mail that shows rendered. I can download direct from there also, and I'll download my video. Now the video is downloaded. Okay, you can see this wonderful animation. I hope this video was helpful to you. Okay, this might be very much useful in creating such an animation in coming days. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. And if you have any queries related to this video, please give a comment on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.